Hi guys, welcome to Digital Step-by-Step Painting. Today we're going to be painting an octopus floating in the water. And the whole idea is that you're under the octopus, so he's in shadow, and we're seeing the top of the water with the sun shining through. So the colors that you're going to need are blue, yellow, green, white, and black. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, the first step is going to be, we're going to start in the top left hand corner, and we need just a little bit of yellow, and I'm going to put a tiny bit of white with it because I want to have just a little bit lighter shade. Yeah. That's pretty good right there. And then we're going to do this back and forth motion like this. You can even let it curve a little, and it'll look really sunny. And then I want to rinse my brush really good. Dry it off really well. And then we're going to do, let's see, I think we're going to do, the next color will be green. And I'm putting just a tiny bit of green right there. Load the brush like this. We're going to start this here and bring it up that way. So do the same back and forth motion. I've got this, it's kind of thicker turquoise color, and I'm just going to dip in the lid. But I made sure that I rinsed my brush, so I'm not mixing the colors there. And then here we go again. I want to blend between the colors a little. Now I want to take a little bit of this blue and add just a touch of regular, just plain old blue, just maybe a couple dots. Kind of have to hold your plate down to mix this color. But I want it to be a combination of blue and the turquoise. And then we'll put that down here. Now I want a tiny bit of white. And we're just gonna, we didn't wet the brush, so we're gonna try and dry brush on top of this a little. It's still wet, but it should be okay. Just to add those little sunshiny highlights. Now as you get further down here, you don't want to have those sparkles on the water because that's deeper in the water and probably there are no sparkles down there. Now, the next part is going to be the octopus. So what we're going to do is start with the head. It kind of looks like a light bulb. So we need a little brown, a little black. Shake that up. We won't even need that much. We're gonna take a brush, kind of like that. It's like a little tiny brush, but not the tiniest. It's not as small, and it's not pointy. It's sort of flat, but you can use any brush you have. And we're going to sort of draw this light bulb right here. And if you think it's too small, you can always go back and make it a little bit bigger. It's the beauty of paint. Now, we want all of these tenderly looking legs, and we've got to have 8 of them because octo means 8. That's where he got his name. So let's see, the first one needs to come way up here and be all kinds of crazy. So let's just put him in, make him like that. That's 1. Now, because we don't want them to just look like a spider, we're going to make the part of the legs where it attaches to the body, it's going to be fatter and it'll come down to that tiny little bit. So we're going to make it a little bit bigger through here. And there you go. Now you have an octopus that's floating around and swimming in the water, and you're underneath it. Maybe you're snorkeling. I don't know. But it's a pretty cool picture. I hope you enjoyed painting this, and stay safe.